Hello everyone and welcome back to Umbria. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the most incredible panoramic position overlooking Trasimeno Lake. We are about to tour together a beautiful, fully restored country house with spectacular views, this amazing swimming pool that you see right behind me, and immaculate privacy. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The villa is in a convenient location because we are immersed in green with total silence and privacy. At the same time, we are close to the main road, so there is great access, and just 10 minutes to Passignano sul Trasimeno and Lisciano Niccone. As well, you can reach Cortona in just 30 minutes and Perugia with its international airport in 45-minute drive. The airport of Florence is just 1 hour and 40 minutes away. The villa is accessed through an electric gate that you see right behind me that leads either directly to the property on the upper part with a spacious outdoor parking area, or downstairs to the garage of the property, which can fit up to 2 or even 3 cars if smaller. One of the most incredible features of the villa is this spectacular swimming pool. It is 5 by 12 meters with a double infinity edge on those 2 sides. On this other side, we find Pietra Serena stone, which is typical of the central part of Italy. And then we find a perfectly manicured garden with fruit plants. There is a beautiful fig tree right in front of us, and of course, this spectacular view. On my right side, you can find a spacious pergola with also a photovoltaic system just above, which is just behind the main kitchen and also has an outdoor barbecue area, making it ideal for a beautiful romantic dinner in front of this view, which in the evening is completely lit by all the homes and very peaceful. You can see the pergola right behind me. There is a beautiful rose plant that crawls on it, so when it blossoms it turns out even better. And you can see there is gravel, beautiful iron trimmings around the garden, making this really manicured and well kept. The table sits up to 8 people, and of course there is additional outdoor patio. Let's go inside. Welcome inside the home. As you can see, it is flooded with natural light. There are huge windows on 3 sides. This is the kitchen and dining area. It takes up the whole width of the home in this section, and starting from the floor where we have beautiful stone slabs with underfloor heating throughout the home, nice and tall ceilings with a slanted look and exposed beams. On this side, we find the kitchen area. This has been recently updated with a large island at the center, which can also be used as a bar area or even a dinner table. While on this other section, we find the long kitchen. It has a solid top with spacious working area, lots of storage. There is a dishwasher, there is a double oven. One of them is a microwave. And on the other section over there in the corner, you can see there is additional storage and even a wine fridge. We have the dining area section and a corner that can be used as an office. As you can see, these huge windows, they are double glazed and they can slide open. So you have this beautiful indoor-outdoor living space and a nice breeze coming from the lake. You can also admire beautiful evening sunsets from here on the lake. As you can see, there is also mosquito nets on all the windows that can be, of course, slide open. Next to the kitchen, through a beautiful arch, we get to the living area. As you can see, it is also nice and spacious and full of natural light, with 4 windows on this side and 3 doors that let us go outside. You have the couch at the center with a huge TV screen on this side, and right behind me you can see the working fireplace, which is burning firewood. From this room, we access the primary bedroom over here and an office area on this side. Then there are the staircases that go upstairs, downstairs to the garage, and to another guest space through this door. At the moment, this is the primary bedroom. It is on the ground floor and very comfortable also to access, since you don't have to pass through any staircases. However, there is also a very large bedroom upstairs, which could be as well a primary bedroom. It is nice and spacious. It has two large windows on two sides, which are sliding and overlooking the view. The bed is at the center with a beautiful TV over here, and it is resting against this large wardrobe, creating this section like a walk-in closet. Then on this side, you can see the ensuite bathroom with shower and of course fully updated and full of natural light. By the primary bedroom, we find this area over here, which is a comfortable office space at the moment. However, it could be also converted into a spacious walk-in closet if one needs additional closet space. Right next to it, we find the second bedroom on the ground level. Right now there is a couch that can be converted into a bed, and there also is its own ensuite bathroom. From the lower ground level, we access to the garage. It can be accessed internally through that staircase or even externally through this large electric gate. It opens and you can drive in with your car. You can comfortably fit up to 2 large cars with the current setup, or even 3 if they're smaller. And even that area could be used as a garage. Right now it is set up as a cellar, as a pantry, and even as a home gym. On that corner there is washer and dryer, while on this other room we find all of the systems of the property which are fully updated. We're now on the first floor of the home. You can access it through this internal staircase. As you get here, you find this landing that divides it into 3 sections. Let's start with the primary bedroom on this floor. This could even be used as an official primary bedroom, considering how large it is. As you can see, it takes up the whole width of the house. It has windows on 3 sides, so it's incredibly bright. And this section over here is completely used as wardrobe. The bed is at the center and also has its own TV screen on this side. Of course, it has its own ensuite bathroom with double sink and very generous shower. Next to the large bedroom, we find a smaller space over here, which can be used either as an office, a single bedroom, or as it is used at the moment, so storage. This, together with the other bedroom right behind me, has access to the beautiful outdoor terrace that I will show you. You have a large window door. Let's have a look. The bedroom accesses onto this huge terrace. It is covered with pietra serena stone and has this pergola over here. Right now it doesn't have a covering, but you can set it up to have some additional shade. This is beautiful to relax and soak up the sun in the summer, or even have an aperitivo with this incredible lake view. And here we have the bedroom, which is taking up the whole width of the house and has light on 2 sides, so it's nice and bright throughout the whole day. The bed is at the center. Also here there is underfloor heating, nice wardrobe on that corner, and the exposed beams. This bedroom as well has its own ensuite bathroom with shower. And here we are at the end of today's property tour. I hope you have enjoyed this villa just as much as I did. I think it is a great property offering everything that one needs. There is a spectacular swimming pool in front of the most amazing view of the lake. You have peace, tranquility, and privacy. All of this just 10 minutes to all of the main services. The villa is turnkey with 4 and up to 5 spacious bedrooms, with even a garage for your car. Please let me know if you have any comments in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!